What do you got? Get him. Get him, Moose. What is it? Is there a squirrel? There's a squirrel up there. Ha 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 ha. It's a little gray. Where's he at? I'm not sure. I think it's a very young squirrel, and it's not moving very far, very fast. And Lucy's all worked up. It's a little gray squirrel. Uh-huh. And it's rainy, crappy, drizzly day, and cold. And she's on the hunt. It's not squirrel season. I wouldn't shoot them anyway, not in camp. But that sure gets Lucy excited, that's for sure. Let's have breakfast, shall we? I had a leftover steak from the other night. That is a beef tenderloin. It was on sale, $9.99. And now they're rationing meat. They couldn't get rid of the big ones, and now they're saying you can only buy so much. It never ends. I got plenty. I got plenty in the freezer, and I'm not worried. I guess it depends on how long it's going to last, but I got a new bread. It's zero carb from Aldi's, and there's no sugar and no enriched flour in it, and it's zero net carbs, high in fiber. So I don't know, I'll give it a try and see. It doesn't say it's low glycemic or anything like the Ezekiel bread, but it's very fluffy and flavorful. It really is. Listen, gotta go. Got a busy day planned. What do you think, Luce? Got a busy day planned because I can't do anything outside. I'm gonna get caught up on the computer. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try anyway. But Goudy out for now. And Lucy out for now.